Gentlemen, today is one of those days where liquidations have exceeded 2 billion, almost $2,700,000,000, as you can see here. Look here. In the last 24 hours, almost $2,700,000,000 liquidated from people who were shorting. I also, gentlemen, I lost over $6,000 today because I had positions that were too large and my stop losses were too far, right? I also opened too many positions at once, and that's why there's this $6,000 loss. But that's normal when the market, gentlemen, is rising. Coins are going up by how much? 15%. How much did Bitcoin go up today? Let's see. Bitcoin, 7%, but Ethereum was over 20%, 23%. Then, gentlemen, the hyperliquid, Trump also said something there. And how much did it go up for us? 25%. And that's when liquidations happen, right? When we're trading with risk to reward, for example, with a bad risk to reward, right? We're risking, for example, as much as 10. For example, we're risking 10, right? For example, $1,000 and we only make $100. That's a risk to reward of 10 to 1. But if we have a risk to reward of 1 to 1, then we wouldn't have such big liquidations. I'm going to show you guys some back tests in a second. And now take a look at something like this. Here's the back test that's been done. Look, the win rate is very small. The win rate is only 35%, right? Very small, meaning the majority are losses. But look at what the result is here. After 4 months, over $9,000. I'll show you the settings for this right now. This is very important. Hold on, let me just take a screenshot for our group. And a reminder, gentlemen, that if you want to chat, it's only and exclusively on the Friendly Investor group on Lunavio. Right here at the top, you have Telegram, and the Lunavio group is there. That's where you can chat. I'll show you the settings now. Take a look at this. I added random coins, 20 random coins, just like that. 15-minute time frame. Breakout beyond Bollinger Band 1.8. 10 simultaneous setups. For shorts, RSI 85. For longs, RSI 15. There's only one entry, no averaging. One entry for $10,000. Take profit at 4%. So if we hit profit, we make 400. But the stop loss is already at 1%. So if the price moves in the opposite direction of what we want, we lose $100 real quick. And because we lose that $100 so quickly, well, as you can see here, wait, these results were as many as 84 stop losses and only 47 winning take profits. But those take profits were 4 times larger than the stop losses. That's why we have this result, right? You can now adjust these settings differently. So you go to Run Backtest and change it here. For example, set it here so that the take profit is 3, meaning it should be faster, and the stop loss remains 1. And we run the backtest again, and it'll be interesting to see if this number is different. It'll definitely be different, right? It just might be better, or it might be worse. Guys, I've run about 10 of these tests in the last 20 minutes. I don't know. And look at how good they turn out for me. Wait, let me just close these. These are all the back tests. These ones here. Oh, this $1,000. 2000, 2003, 4, 4, 5, 6, 9, 4, and 9. These are all where the worst risk to reward is 1 to 1. Do you know what 1 to 1 means? That I lose. Let me show you. Risk to reward. Look at this. Now listen, and remember, think for yourself. Don't ask someone, Damien, can I copy you? Or someone, what to do here. Because you know what I mean. Most people want to safely have a secure job, have a wife, a child. Everything's cool. And to make a lot of money without risk. For me to make a lot of money, I do make a lot of money, but I don't have a wife and a child. I'm on my own and I take a lot of risks, but I also make very good money. I'm showing you now, risk to reward. The minimum is 1 to 1. The one that we should use, I'm not saying we should. I use worse ones myself, right? But then there's risk. Risk to reward 1 to 1 means that, for example, on every trade, I have this risk, meaning stop loss. Stop loss equals 1%. For example, that's $100, right? For example, $100. And the reward? Reward meaning take profit. Take profit equals, with this 1 to 1, we have the same thing, right? I'll show you now. The same thing. So either we make 1%, $100, or we lose $100. Oh, look, it's like this, right? Oh, wait, I should do this differently. Just a second. 1 second. Give me a second. 1, 2, 1. Okay. And it's something like this. And now I'll show you a different risk to reward. Let's shrink it a little so we can fit more of it here. Let's set it to 16. Okay. And now the next one. Take a look at this. We'll set the risk to reward at 1 to 2, meaning we lose 1%, $100, and we make $200. Right? 2%. Okay. I'll also remind you about this risk to reward. 1 to 1 could be, for example, that we make 2% and lose 2%. We make 10%, we lose 10%. But then the results will be different too. Let's look at the results of this test now. Oh, 7,000. It's a little worse, you see? But the win rate is better now. And here the drawdown's a bit better because it's 2,200. We were down by that much at most. And on the other one, we were down by, let's check. We were here, here we were also only down by 2,200. So this one's better. So gentlemen, the better settings are here, where it's 4% profit and only 1% loss. I'll show you another one. Look, I was doing these back tests like this. And gentlemen, and look, it's past midnight and I'm working, right? And that's what sets me apart from the average person. Alright, so we've got that. And we'll also show this 1 to 4 ratio. We can try 1 to 5 in a moment. Gentlemen, hold on. Let's do this. Here is 1 to 4 still. So we lose 100, we make as much as 400, and there will definitely be more of these stop losses. As you can see, there will be a lot of these stop losses. That's already a very good result. Wait, I just need to place it here so it's clearly visible. Oh, that's a very good result. This one is good too. Let's set this one to maybe this color here. This one's also good there. And we'll set it to this color. No, it needs to be brighter. Hold on. Oh, take your pick. Look, I'm making money. I risk $100, I make 100. I risk 100, I make 200. I risk 100, I make 300. I risk 100, I make 400. And that's it. Do you need anything else? Gentlemen, hold on. I am just going to do something like this. Oh, and just to remind you, I will go ahead and post this update to our Telegram group for everyone to see. And that's it. And now, hold on. We'll just do this with a 5 here, see what we get, and 120 days, and run back test. And that's it. Gentlemen, I'm just reminding you that investing is very risky. Go to lunaviotrading.com. Wait, since I have a VPN on here, I need to turn it off for a second. Because the VPN is blocking us here. Okay, lunaviotrading.com. Remember, investing is very risky. Past results don't guarantee future results, right? So what happened in the past doesn't guarantee that the future will be the same. Step 1, and we register here. If anyone wants to, of course. I'm not pushing anyone. And step 2, here are all the tutorials on how to start from A to Z, how to do back tests. Nothing more, gentlemen. We don't need anything else. And what do we need? We need work. We need our own work, not sitting around and copying someone else. Alright, let's check one last back test and then we're done. Because it's well past midnight. Although, I'll still be working. Gentlemen, it's like this. Trading is just like running your own business. There's no slacking off here. This is what we do. This business of ours is the most important thing. Everything else takes a back seat. It takes second place. If you want to put family or health or something else first, well, then that will be first. But then you won't be making money. Alright, 1 to 5. I'll just show you the results. Damn, they're probably even better. Yeah. Wait, let's also take a screenshot for the group. Risk to reward 1 to 5, and wait, I'll just give them the settings. I'll go into the history. Yes, the best is 1 to 5. I'll give them the configuration for the group, and that's it. And let's go. Gentlemen, just a reminder, the group is here on Lunavio, you'll find it on Telegram, and that's where we chat. So hold on, I'm getting on Telegram and attaching the screenshots for them. Wait, this screenshot, and this one, and we're writing risk to reward 1 to 5. And that's it. Gentlemen, stay healthy, take care. Remember, money is easy to make, you can lose it, nothing bad will happen. The most important thing is health and our well-being. If we are happy, money is. We only need enough money to live comfortably. And worrying about having lost money? Gentlemen, I've lost millions of dollars in my life, but I've also made them. And today, I know that the most important thing is my health and my well-being. Take care. Good night. Bye.